Pros and cons of polished concrete floors. Dear friends, polished concrete floors are a popular choice for various reasons. They're low maintenance, durable, and can be installed in many colors and styles. There is no denying that polished concrete floors look beautiful, making a bold statement. However, this type of flooring comes with a few key pros and cons that you should be aware of before deciding. In this video, we'll look at the pros and cons of polished concrete floors and help you decide if this is the style of flooring for you. They're durable, polished concrete used in various heavy traffic commercial uses, including kitchens, retail, airports, warehouses, restaurants, etc. Because the wear surface of a polished concrete floor is extremely hard, polished concrete does not show scratches or scuffs. Further, polished concrete never requires the use of wax or sealers, so they are not only durable but also low maintenance. They look great. Whether looking for a fresh update to your business or building a new home, polished concrete floors are a great choice. With abundant design options, including styles and finishes, one can create tailor-made aesthetics to perfectly complement your project. Because of their versatile aesthetics, concrete floors are the perfect solution for a modern residential project, barndominium, or office renovation. They're cheap to install. Polished concrete costs less to install than most other types of flooring, making them an affordable choice for those on a budget. On average, polished concrete floors range between $5 to $12 per square foot. In contrast, other common flooring options like hardwood or tile typically start over $10 per square foot. Simply put, polished concrete floors are the best value flooring you can install for your new residential construction project. They're eco-friendly. Concrete floors use less energy and water to install than any other type of flooring. Concrete is a high thermal mass material, i.e., they have an inherent ability to absorb heat during the day and release it gradually at night, making it an ideal flooring option for passive solar building plans. They're easy to clean. Polished concrete floors are easy to clean, thanks to their smooth finish. You only need a vacuum and a damp microfiber mop for regular maintenance. They're safer. Unlike other types of flooring such as wood, carpet, or vinyl laminate, polished concrete floors are VOC-free. Due to their unique installation process, polished concrete floors do not release volatile organic compounds into the air you breathe. This makes polished concrete floors ideal for residential projects, especially households with children and pets. Because of its very flat surface, polished concrete is considered a slip-resistant floor. Polished concrete is more slip-resistant than any other smooth, hard flooring type. They're moisture and flood-resistant. Polishing a concrete floor involves a penetrating liquid called a silica densifier, which reduces the natural porosity of the concrete. This reduction in porosity translates to a reduction in the amount of moisture that a polished concrete floor will absorb when exposed to spills or floods. In most cases, polished concrete floors require no repair after a flood, such as those commonly experienced by homeowners when pipes break during a freeze. Cons of polished concrete floors. The quality of the concrete pour is critical. Because polished concrete floors utilize the existing concrete slab, the quality of the concrete pour dramatically influences a finished floor's appearance. They are hard. While concrete floors are a durable and resilient material, their inherent hardness can be fatiguing for residents. They can be cold. Because polished concrete floors have a high thermal mass, they generally feel slightly cool to the touch. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.